Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset display settings on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon to open up your settings. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your device, including the display configurations you might have previously adjusted. Once you're in settings, scroll down through the menu until you find the accessibility option and tap on it. The accessibility section contains various features designed to make your phone easier to use, including all the display-related adjustments that affect how content appears on your screen. Now, inside accessibility, look for the option labeled Display Size and Text and tap on it. This is where all your display customizations live, such as font size, display zoom, bold text, and other visual modifications you may have made to personalize your viewing experience. Then scroll down to the bottom of this page until you see the Reset Settings option and tap on it. This feature allows you to revert all display customizations back to their original factory defaults, which is particularly useful if you've made multiple changes and want to start fresh, or if something doesn't look quite right anymore. After tapping Reset Settings, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is an important safety step that ensures you don't accidentally reset your display settings without meaning to. The message will ask you to confirm that you really want to proceed with resetting all your display customizations. To complete the process, simply tap Reset on the confirmation prompt. Your Google Pixel 8 Pro will immediately restore all display settings to their default values, undoing any changes you've previously made to font sizes, display zoom, or text formatting, and that's it. Your display settings are now back to their original factory configuration. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.